All right, guys, so today this is gonna be my first unboxing. I'm just gonna get right to it. I don't do too much research on these items to like tell you what the specs are, blah blah blah. I just want to open the damn box and show you what's in it. That's pretty much it. So this is the Flashpoint Zoom speed light. I bought this from Adorama, as you can see from the box. So I'm just gonna open it up. I'm gonna move my camera so you guys can see what's inside. All right, guys, so we are back. I was able to reposition my camera so I can show you guys everything that's inside the box that it comes with. So they give you this hat, Flashpoint hat. I don't see me wearing this hat. I don't care. I wouldn't wear this hat. Look at this. So it's pretty much doing a free promo for them. I mean, well, you get that. And oh, and I got an extra battery with this. So this is the extra battery. So I'm gonna. All right, so that seems like a good spot right there. Just gonna open this up, see what's inside the box. So this is what you get right out the box. Just gonna hold this, show you guys. So this is what you get right out the box. You have the battery. It's a pretty big battery right there. Yeah. And you have the charger. The charger is the USB Type C. Just trying to get this thing to focus, but it didn't focus. But here we go. USB Type C. And this is the charging thing. So I'll show you guys how this goes in, but I don't think it's necessary. Then you have this thing that plugs into the wall. And the main flash itself will be, so it comes in the bag, a small bag right there. There's nothing else in the box. That's pretty much it. I didn't get the bundle. The bundle, I think it comes to like filters and stuff that attaches to the front of this, but I didn't get that. So this is it. Get this stuff to focus. Okay. So this is it. Looks pretty clean. The battery goes through right here. It's so weird how this is. I don't know if anybody else thinks this is weird, but it kind of is to me, because it's like open, and you would think that the battery will go through the other side, but it doesn't. I'll show you right now. So this is the battery. You see the inside. I don't know if you guys see that. Yeah, so on the inside you can see right there, that's where you will connect this battery. Stay focused, and bam, it just goes in. I'll power it on. Let's push this button there, and it shows you the battery life and all that stuff. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna be using this for mostly like wedding pictures and whatnot. I've had this Yongno 568 for a very long time before I decided to upgrade to this. So they say that this have like faster recycling time, and it's just more powerful than this, but this have got me through the years. So yeah, if you're starting up and you need something, this is way cheaper, of course, but it's gonna last you for a long time. I think I've had this for about 3 years and it still works. I'm sure if there's battery in it, and it still works. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching.